video I'm here to recreate this tutorial for you guys. It's a sunset, sunrise tutorial, you choose. So I really love this tutorial so much. I just love it so much. Let me give you a close-up for you guys. I just love this tutorial so much. It's so incredible and so easy to use. I just use 2 colors on the Morphe James Charles palette. Just 2 colors. And before I start this video, please give me a thumbs up. It's really important. Subscribe my channel. Follow me on social media. Follow me on my blog. You already know. You already know. So yeah, let's get started with this. So I've already took my eye makeup and my lipstick as well. And for today's makeup, I'm going to use just 2 colors, as I said in the beginning of this video. And I'm going to use, obviously, oh my god, the Morphe James Charles palette, obviously. And then I'm going to use this color right here, this orangey color, and then I'm going to use, I'm going to use the yellow color. I'm going to use just these 2 colors right here. And oh my god, you will be surprised how easy this makeup is. And this is a sunrise, a sunset, a sun, whatever, whatever you choose. So let's get started with this video. First of all, with a fluffy brush, smoky brush, where am I? Oh, my mirror here. We're going to just pick the orangey color and pack this color right on the top of your crease. On the top, not on your crease, okay? So just they fall out so much. But it's okay. Like this. And now, with the same brush, we're going to use the yellow color. And we're going to tap this color on your lid, right on your lid. Don't be careful to mess it up because we're just building the colors. So it's this. Oh my god, it's really pretty, it's really beautiful. And now we're going to use a very thin brush. Very thin. And what we're going to do, we're going to pack, oh my god, I forgot to say that we're going to use the black as well, the blacker in the palette basically. And we're going to do an eyeliner with it, just on your lashes. So let's get started with this. Like this, really like this, just to pop your lashes area. So now we're done with this. And now for the bottom, we're going to use a pencil brush and we're going to use the yellow color, the orangey color, I'm so sorry. And we're going to blend this right down your eyelashes. And now with yellow, we're going to blend this color on the top of the orangey one. Just like this. No fallout anymore. And we're going to pop mascara time. It's really easy. This tutorial is so easy that it's unbelievable. Pop a lot of mascara up and down. Like this. And now lipstick time. I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Bombshell color. It's really pretty. Just like this. The lip contour gives such a difference, right? And I'm going to use this baby here by Huda, obviously always Huda, in Bombshell as well. Huda is such a bombshell. And now we're done. We're just done. We're so done. I really hope you guys like this tutorial. I just love this so much. What with 2 colors we can do a beautiful tutorial, right? So yeah, we're done. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow me on everything down below, on my blog, on my Instagram as well. So yeah, I'll see you next video.